Journey with Aerospace Systems and PMSC Coimbatore. In the corridors of Larsen & Toubro, where innovation and engineering excellence have long been the cornerstones of progress, one name has stood as a beacon of vision and leadership, J.D. Patil, as he embodies an illustrious career spanning more than 4 decades. His legacy remains deeply woven into the very fabric of India's defense and aerospace industry. JDP's journey at L&T has been one of relentless innovation, strategic vision, and deep-rooted commitment to technological advancement. As a pioneer in the company's precision engineering systems, he played a critical role in establishing and nurturing this business, guiding it from its inception to becoming a matured and integral part of L&T's business. His mentorship and leadership have been instrumental in shaping the organization's capabilities, ensuring its growth into a powerhouse of high-precision solutions. From the initial inception to the present-day success of PMSC, aerospace business, his unwavering dedication has driven this business forward, leaving a lasting impact on its evolution. Beyond his direct contributions to defense and precision engineering, Mr. Patil has championed a culture of innovation and excellence across L&T. His guidance in initiatives like Deepam, a platform recognizing and rewarding innovation within the company, has fostered a spirit of creative problem-solving among engineers and technologists. Under his guidance, Aerospace Systems has not only developed cutting-edge products but has also built the necessary infrastructure to support these advancements. His presence at key milestones such as PMF 100, inauguration of the composite manufacturing facility, the heavy precision shop, and the surface technology unit, and the prestigious additive manufacturing facility underscores his commitment to strengthening aerospace manufacturing capabilities. His leadership has also played a crucial role in achieving major milestones, symbolizing the scale and success of L&T's contributions towards national security. Productionizing various aerospace systems is a testament to the company's ability to deliver at scale, a capability honed under Mr. Patil's stewardship. Each of these achievements reflects his vision of transforming L&T into a largest private defense and aerospace solution provider and ensuring that the company remains at the forefront of innovation and excellence. Legacy of JDP is an example for all the L&Tites for what we could be. His mentorship has inspired countless engineers. His vision has strengthened India's capabilities and also has set a new benchmark for the industry. He is a towering figure who we would always look up to for guidance and blessings.